Home is something I cherish. Brian's my older brother. I was the annoying, performing younger brother. He was kind to me and let me follow around on all of his adventures. Brian bought this house. It was kind of a fixer-upper. I have a vision that might blow his mind whole. Houzz is making this renovation possible from thousands of miles away. On Houzz, you can find everything that you need for a renovation project. People, products, and inspiration. Brian would love that. Add to cart. Done. This is way bigger in scale than I was imagining.
There's the door. I hate that door.
This is exactly what it looks like in the picture. I love it. What are you feeling?
Nervous?
Yeah. I'm Neil Patrick Harris, and this is my house. My heart is racing. I hope he loves it.